Imagine being able to chat with a historical figure, your favorite fictional character, or even an AI assistant designed to help you learn. Character.AI makes that possible by letting you interact with unique AI personalities. In this video, we'll explore the basics of Character.AI, including how to interact with different AI characters, and the fun ways you can use it to learn and explore. Character.AI is a platform that lets you interact with AI personalities known as characters, designed to simulate real people, fictional characters, or helpful assistants. Each character has a unique personality and knowledge base, so chatting with one feels like a conversation with someone familiar. You might choose to chat with an AI version of Albert Einstein to learn about physics, or with Sherlock Holmes for a bit of detective fun. To get started with Character.AI, simply go to the website, create an account, and browse the wide selection of AI characters available. Each character has a brief description to help you understand their personality and expertise. Once you've picked a character, just start typing your questions or comments in the chat box, and they'll respond based on their programmed personality and knowledge. Try asking an AI chef for a recipe, and they'll walk you through it step by step. Character.AI isn't just for entertainment, it's also a great learning tool. You can ask AI characters to help you study, explain complex topics, or even practice conversations in a new language. For instance, if you're studying history, chatting with an AI version of Marie Curie or Leonardo da Vinci can make learning feel more interactive and engaging. It's a fun way to explore subjects with a new perspective. One character you might try is Elara Sage, an AI coach and consultant. Elara Sage is designed to help you unlock the potential of AI, offering practical tools, real-world examples, and clear guidance. Whether you're new to AI or looking to deepen your understanding, she's there to provide helpful, approachable advice. While Character.AI can feel very realistic, remember that these AI characters are simulations and don't have actual expertise or personal experiences. Their responses are based on patterns in data and may not always be accurate, so it's important to verify any facts or information from trusted sources, especially for educational or serious topics. Use it as a creative tool, but approach it with a sense of curiosity and caution. Character.AI is like having an interactive library of personalities at your fingertips, ready to entertain, educate, and inspire you. Whether for fun or learning, it opens up endless possibilities for exploring topics in a personal way. If this video sparked your interest in Character.AI, hit like and follow for more content on tech and AI tools. Thanks for watching.